What's the most effective way to stretch the piriformis muscle? This is extremely confusing because on the internet there can be 5 or 6 different ways to stretch the piriformis muscle. And the reality is that some of them actually are very good and some of them kind of don't make sense. You're stealing from Peter to pay Paul in order to stretch this muscle. A lot of times patients will come into my office and tell me they're stretching their piriformis muscle. They'll show me the stretch. I'll ask them, where do you feel the pulling and where do you feel the stretch? And they actually point to not even close to their piriformis. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stretch the piriformis. This is how I recommend it to my patients, and hopefully you'll gain some benefit from it. And I'm going to show you, first of all, how not to stretch your piriformis. Very often, patients will do this. They like to cross their leg, and what they'll do is they'll grab the back of this leg and pull it up. Now that, in theory, would be a good stretch, except for one little problem. What happens is people tend to round their spines and do almost a crunch. When you do that, you get a neurological tension, and most people will feel it in the wrong area. I'm going to show you my buttocks. Many patients will say they feel the stretch right down here. That's not where the piriformis is. The piriformis is up high on the buttocks. So if you're not feeling the stretch right there, you're not doing it right. So what I show patients, the best way to do the stretch is, first of all, use a lumbar roll. Put it below your back in the small of your back and lie down on your back. Then what you're going to do is you're going to bring one leg up to 90 degrees and then bring it up just a little more. So the ideal angle would be about 110 degrees. Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab with one arm your shin and the other hand is going to grab your knee. Now you're going to attempt to bring it to the opposite side and you're going to aim in the direction of your armpit. So you're going to bring it across just like this, and that way you will actually feel the stretch in the piriformis and you will not feel it in the joint capsule of the hip, and you won't feel it in your back. So hopefully this will give you a better idea of how to stretch the piriformis. If you have any specific questions, ask in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.